In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude to create an ebook. First, sign into your Claude account and start a new chat. Once you're inside, decide on the topic for your ebook. Next, ask Claude to help you create an outline. You can use a prompt like, create a detailed ebook outline about digital marketing for beginners, or any topic you want to write about. After that, review the outline and make any changes you want. Once you're happy with it, ask Claude to write each chapter one at a time. This helps you get more detailed and organized content. Now, continue generating the chapters by following the outline. Review each section and make edits as needed. You can also ask Claude to rewrite parts, simplify explanations, or expand on specific topics. Next, ask Claude to create an introduction, conclusion, and any additional sections you want to include, such as checklists, tips, or frequently asked questions. After that, review the entire ebook and make sure the content flows naturally from one chapter to the next. If necessary, ask Claude to improve transitions or adjust the writing style. Once the content is complete, copy it into a document editor such as Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Format the text, add headings, images, page numbers, and any design elements you want. Finally, export the document as a PDF or ebook file format and save it to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Claude to create an ebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.